Are you getting the too many login attempts error on Netflix? This usually happens when you try to sign in too many times with the wrong password, switch devices too quickly, or your account is logging in from multiple locations at once. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix it on your iPhone. Before we begin the actual solutions, make sure to wait 10 to 15 minutes. Most of the time, the error is temporary. Netflix blocks login for a short period when it detects rapid attempts. Simply wait for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, open Netflix again and try logging in normally. If that doesn't work, move to the next solution. Solution 1. Offload Netflix. Open Settings on your iPhone, then go to General. Tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you find Netflix. Tap on it. Now tap Offload App. Confirm your choice and then reinstall the app from here. Once Netflix is reinstalled, go and open the app again and try to log back in. Check if that works or not. Solution 2. Change or reset your password. Open Safari on your iPhone. Go to netflix.com/loginhelp. In this page, look for options like Forget Password. If you're already in the Password Reset tab, check the email box. Then enter your Netflix email. After that, tap Email Me. Now Netflix will send an email with step-by-step instructions. Simply reset your password by following the instructions and your problem will be solved. And that's it. With these solutions, you should be able to fix the too many login attempts error and sign into Netflix without any problem. If this helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Netflix fixes. See you next time.